And why are we the ones that always think he's some king in his fat ass? Is he being racist or something? Well, it's not supposed to be interesting. It's a full practically done, but the dad is going to take you to the Saturday show to see Daddy's play. I don't know what he is. Father orders his friend, boy. Don't know what he's supposed to do with his hand. I suppose I feel a sense of pride. Knowing I got Jason. There's that. You have a fucking hang for you. A couple of pickles and crap, you fat pig. Don't have the judges class up, okay? They love you. The biggest charity event thus far in the history of the world. The United Celebrity Foundation is starring Death Box with special guest, the London Philharmonic. Experts say that they will raise an estimated $20 million from this night alone. The exit for